Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in Microsoft tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add people to SharePoint in 2025. SharePoint is Microsoft's powerhouse for collaboration, perfect for teams sharing files, projects, or ideas securely. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can get up and running in no time. First off, before we dive in, ensure you have a Microsoft 365 account with access to SharePoint. If not, head over to office.com and sign up. It's straightforward and free for basic use. Once you're logged in, let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the SharePoint site you want to share. This could be a team site, a document library, or a specific folder. Look for the site in your Microsoft 365 dashboard or use the search bar to find it quickly. Step 2. Once you're on the site, spot the Share button. It's usually in the top right corner or next to the item you want to share. Click on it, and you'll see options to add people. Step 3. In the sharing pane, type in the email addresses of the people you want to add. SharePoint will suggest names if they're in your organization. You can add external users too, but make sure they're verified. Step 4. Choose the permission level. For 2025 updates, Microsoft has simplified this. Options like Can View for read-only access or Can Edit for full collaboration. Select based on what you need to keep things secure. Step 5. Add a personal message if you like, then hit Send. You'll get a confirmation that the invitation has been sent. The person will receive an email with a link to access the shared content. A quick tip: always double-check permissions to avoid accidental data leaks. And remember, in 2025, SharePoint's AI features can suggest collaborators based on your activity. Super handy. There you have it, you've just learned how to add people to SharePoint efficiently. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep collaborating smarter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.